Now class 12 B, date is 23/10/2020. Since we have completed lesson first, so we are going to solve some questions, previous year board questions. So one question is there. Recently, a baby girl has been reported to suffer from hemophilia. So the question is, recently a baby girl has been reported to suffer from hemophilia. How is it possible? Explain with the help of a cross. So this is possible only in the case when a hemophilic male marry with a carrier female or with hemophilic females. There are the two conditions when the female may be hemophilic. So we can see here, that is the parent first, parent genotype, and here our parents means that is carrier female, and this is hemophilic male. Hemophilic male. Then what happens? Its genotype X, hemophilic is there, so we can write here H, hemophilic, and here hemophilic male is hemophilic, so this is X and the Y. This will be hemophilic. How they will produce offsprings? We can write in a such way as this is upside we are writing the male, and here we are writing the female. So male gamete will produce the gamete, 50% gamete contains the hemophilic gene, and since it is X-linked, so it will found only on the X chromosome. And here see the carrier, so this gametes will produce in a such a way, and now see it's the genotype X and XH and X and Y, and here X H and XH, and here X H and the Y. So here you see that here X, what we are getting, X and XH. See, this is carrier daughter. Its number is 1, and here X H and XH says hemophilic. Hemophilic daughter. Its number will also be 1. And here X Y, that is the normal son, and here X H and the Y he will be hemophilic son. Its number is 1 and its number 1 is. So here, if a carrier female marry with a hemophilic male, the 50% daughter will be carrier and 50% daughters will be hemophilic. While 50% of the male will be male children will be hemophilic and 50% will be normal. Now condition, if we let us change the condition. If instead of carrier female, the female is also hemophilic, and here hemophilic female and hemophilic male. If such type of the marriage is there, then what happens? The genotype we can see here in detail. Instead of carrier, we can write here as the hemophilic. Parent is hemophilic female, and here it will be H, and its genotype will also be changed, and here it will be H, and fourth type of the offspring which will be produced here. So first possibility is there X H and XH, and second XH and Y, and third XH and XH, and fourth XH and Y. In this situation, all the daughters will be, no carrier will be there, daughters will be hemophilic. Its number will be of the 2, and here hemophilic son will also be 2. So here all the daughters will be hemophilic and all the sons will also be hemophilic. So all the individuals will be hemophilic in this situation, in this condition. Now see another question. We can see another question, which is now we can see another question. A man with blood group O and his wife with blood group AB claim a child with blood group AB as their son. Write Punnett square, justify this experiment. So here the man with blood group O and parents with blood group blood group O, blood blood group O and marry with, and parents have blood group O and AB. So their genotype IO and IO here, and here IA and IA and IB. This will be genotype. Genotypes. What possible blood group of their the offsprings? So what will be the possible blood group, since gametes has such genotypes as IA and IB, and in other case IO and IO. Which couples a man with blood group O and his wife. So this is blood group O, this is the male. This is, sorry, it will be male. Blood group A. This is male and she is female. So male we write here, this side we are writing male and we are writing female as A and B. And this way we can write here, this is male and this is female. So IA and the IO, and here IA and the IO, and here IB and the IO, and here IB and the IO. So what possible blood group? In this situation, blood group will be IA and the IO. This will be blood group A, and IB and the IO. C blood group B. So only offspring will be produced by such couple with have only A or B blood group type of the offspring. So his claim to the baby having blood group A is false, because AB group is not possible in such conditions. So next question we can see. Another, now see one more question is there. Third question we can write. Third question. Now, a colorblind man marries a woman with normal vision whose father was colorblind. Work out a cross to show the genotype of the couple with and their the respective sons. So the question asking that a colorblind man marries a woman with normal vision whose father was colorblind. If father was colorblind, so the female will be carrier. So in this situation, parents colorblind colorblind man, and female will be carrier. Carrier female. In this situation, colorblind man means they will have X and Y, and carrier female will be X and X. She is the carrier. So now gametes. Which type gamete they will produce? They will produce the gamete, and the Y gametes produced by them will be of the X and the Y. These are the gametes. These are the gametes. And C will produce the gamete having the X, C and the X. Such type gametes will be produced. So we can make a chart to find the answer. Male gamete we can write here. Male X, C and Y, and female that having the X, C and X. So here X, C and X, C and X, C and Y, where X, C and X, here will X and the Y. In this way, females, 50% of female will be colorblind. So here X, C and XC, C will be colorblind girl or daughter, colorblind daughter. And X, C and X, C will be carrier daughter. Its number will be 1, means we can write here 25% is here, 25% is here. And case of the male, X, C and Y, A will be colorblind son, and X and Y, C will be normal son. So here 25% will be here and 25% will be here. So in this way we can make practice for some more questions. Thank you.